What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Jeep Grand Wagoneer started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer in this video, but it will be the same on a couple different years. So I've taken the battery out of this fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what I'm going to do is take the key fob, and looking at it this way, I'm going to use the top of it to press the stop-start button. So press the brake in like you normally would, come over here, and then just press the stop-start button with the top of it. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.